dust of snow. The way a crow swooped down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had grieved. In the first stanza, the poet describes a simple natural happening. The snow is falling heavily. The snowflakes have covered the top of trees. The poet is standing under a hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree with white flowers. All of a sudden, a crow alighted on the tree and shook its branches. The way a crow swooped down on me. So when crow was shaking its branches, the dust of snow fell on the head of the poet. The dust of snow fell on the head of the poet from the hemlock tree. Thus, the crow is symbol of ill omen, and hemlock tree are associated with the poet in this poem. In the second stanza, the falling of snowy flakes and the scene leaves a tremendous effect on the mental state and mood of the poet. So far, the day has been quite gloomy and wastage for him, but now his mood has completely changed. So because of the falling of dust of snow on his head, his mood has changed and his spirit has uplifted. So the falling of dust of snow on him has given his heart and mood a complete change. Earlier he was in a gloomy and depressed mood. Now he is quite cheerful. Now his part of the day has been saved from being wasted. So because of this simple happening or event, the part of his day has been saved from being wasted. Now he has no regret on his passing of the day. So at least a part of the day has been saved. The act of the falling of the fine dust of snow on him has cheered his heart and mood. Now I am going to ask some questions that you have to give the answer. Question number 1. What is a dust of snow? How has the poet's mood changed? Question number 2. How did the poet feel before the change of mood? Why did he feel so? Question number 3. Explain the use of hemlock tree and crow in the poem by the poet. Question number 4. Explain the line and saved some part of a day I had rued. Question number 5. What is the message that Robert Frost wants to convey to the readers in the poem Dust of Snow? Now the students, I want to tell you the message given by the poet. Robert Frost gives quite a positive message to the readers. Depression and hopelessness do cloud our hearts, spirits and moods. However, there is a silver lining beyond every cloud. The poet had given up all hopes and declared that the whole day would go waste. Suddenly, the falling of fine dust of snow on him brings a sudden change in his mood. Cheerfulness replaces the feeling of regret. So, the word rued means regretted deeply or felt sad deeply. Okay, students.